Another day, another unboxing. What's up everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today we're gonna open up these Hot Wheel flames. We got a 71 El Camino, a 67 Shelby GT500, and a 67 Chevy C10. Yeah, Chevy C10. So these are really dope. So let's start with the El Camino. Check that out. I like that red color. As you can see, all of these are in that red colorish theme. So try to follow in the theme. And look at this beautiful casting and paint job as well. We got some black with gold rims, awesome flames, white with yellow tips, and that maroon color all over. Yellow windshields. We got the chrome painted on the bumpers, on the grill, and on the bottom. So pretty cool, pretty dope casting. So there is that El Camino. Let's go with the Shelby. This one's a beast. Super cool. There you go. Look at that red. It's not maroon, it's more like a candy red. And this one has yellow flames and pinstripes. We got kind of the same wheels, black with yellow on the outline. The front are yellow and the back are just regular chrome on the outer rim of it. So we got that flame on as well on top of the hood and on the roof. Yellow windshields as well. This one has a black bottom, no chrome, and the grills are black. No details painted on, but still really cool casting. Looks so like muscle. Those muscle cars. Next up, the C10. What everyone is picking up nowadays. This is beauty. This kind of like in a little orange color. We got white flames with yellow tips and black rims with yellow outline on the outside. We got the bumper and see the grill in chrome and black bottom. The bottom piece is black. Very cool. I like the flames, that the style of the flames. All these cars have different styles of the flame painted on, so each one has its nice details. The bed is also chrome and the interior is chrome. So this is a very cool truck to pick up, the Chevy C10. So there they are. What is your opinion on them? Which one's your favorite one? And do you already have these in your collection? 71 El Camino, 67 Shelby GT 500, and the 67 Chevy C10. Very cool castings. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below, and we'll have that combo. Hope you all having a great day. Good luck collecting, and see you in the next one. Peace, everyone. Bye.